Hello friends, my name is Tanya and I am here for Trinity Stamps for a product close-up of the ConGRADulations cutout die set. There are 2 dies in this set and they are created to do a fallout die cut. There is a graduation gown and a graduation cap. I've taken a piece of ink blended cardstock here and I am taping these dies down, and I'll run those through the die cut machine so you can see what design the fallout creates. There is a tittle for that eye, but let's be honest, I lose it every single time, and I think you can get away with not using it. Here are some examples of the die in use. 5x7 and A7 cards work well with this, and it will create easy graduation cards for you to pump out in mass if you need to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now would be a good time. If you're interested in the product that was highlighted in this video, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.